Hey everyone, welcome back to Autoland, your ultimate source for the latest innovations in sustainable travel and eco-friendly living. If you're passionate about groundbreaking designs that blend art, mobility, and environmental consciousness, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we're diving deep into the revolutionary creation by artist and designer Camper Tricycle, the 2026 Camper Tricycle. This unique fusion of art and functionality is redefining how we think about mobile living and sustainable travel. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a minimalist, or someone intrigued by innovative design, this is a journey you won't want to miss. Let's explore the origins, design, functionality, and impact of Kevin Cyr's 2026 Camper Tricycle. Kevin Cyr has always been fascinated by vehicles and mobile habitats, using them as subjects in his artwork to explore themes of mobility, autonomy, and self-reliance. His earlier projects, like the camper bike and camper cart, were artistic statements that challenged conventional ideas of shelter and transportation. These projects combined everyday objects in unexpected ways, prompting viewers to reconsider the possibilities of mobile living. The 2026 Camper Tricycle builds upon these concepts, transforming from an artistic exploration into a functional vehicle designed for real-world use. This evolution signifies a shift from conceptual art to practical application, reflecting the growing interest in sustainable and minimalist lifestyles. At first glance, the Camper Tricycle captivates with its compact and efficient design. Built on a sturdy three-wheeled platform, it offers stability and ease of use, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The frame is constructed from lightweight, durable materials, ensuring both longevity and performance. The exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic shell designed to minimize wind resistance and maximize energy efficiency. Integrated solar panels cover the roof, harnessing renewable energy to power onboard systems. This design not only reduces the vehicle's carbon footprint but also allows for extended off-grid travel. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Camper Tricycle is its ability to transform from a compact riding mode into a comfortable living space. Upon reaching your destination, the rear section expands, revealing a cozy interior equipped with essential amenities. This transformation is both quick and intuitive, allowing travelers to set up camp with minimal effort. Inside, the Camper Tricycle is a marvel of space optimization. The layout includes a sleeping area, a small kitchenette, and storage compartments, all designed to make the most of the limited space. The use of multifunctional furniture and modular components ensures that every inch serves a purpose, embodying the principles of minimalist living. The integration of technology enhances the functionality of the Camper Tricycle. A smart control system monitors energy consumption, battery levels, and solar panel efficiency, providing real-time data to the user. This system ensures that travelers can manage their resources effectively, promoting a self-sufficient lifestyle. Connectivity features, such as GPS navigation and mobile internet access, are also included, allowing users to stay connected while exploring remote locations. These technological advancements make the Camper Tricycle not just a mode of transportation but a smart vehicle tailored to the needs of modern travelers. The Camper Tricycle is designed with sustainability at its core. The pedal-powered mechanism, supplemented by electric assistance, offers an eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuel-dependent vehicles. This design promotes physical activity and reduces environmental impact, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. The materials used in construction are sourced responsibly, with an emphasis on recyclability and low environmental impact. The integration of solar energy further enhances the vehicle's green credentials, allowing travelers to generate power without relying on external sources. The Camper Tricycle opens up new possibilities for travel, especially in urban environments where traditional RVs may be impractical. Its compact size allows for easy navigation through city streets and access to areas inaccessible to larger vehicles. This design encourages exploration and spontaneity, enabling travelers to embark on journeys without extensive planning. For solo travelers and minimalists, the Camper Tricycle offers a unique blend of mobility and comfort. It provides the freedom to travel at one's own pace, with the assurance of having a personal sanctuary wherever the road leads. The 2026 Camper Tricycle has garnered significant attention from both the art world and the sustainable design community. Critics have praised its innovative approach to mobile living, highlighting its potential to inspire new forms of eco-friendly transportation. Users who have experienced the Camper Tricycle commend its practicality and the sense of freedom it provides. The vehicle has been showcased in various exhibitions and has sparked conversations about the future of travel and sustainable living. Kevin Cyr's 2026 Camper Tricycle represents a bold step forward in the evolution of mobile habitats. By blending artistic vision with functional design, it challenges traditional notions of travel and encourages a more sustainable and self-reliant lifestyle. As we look to the future, innovations like the camper tricycle remind us of the endless possibilities that await when creativity meets purpose. That's it for today's deep dive into Kevin Cyr's groundbreaking 2026 camper tricycle. If you found this exploration inspiring, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you envision the future of sustainable travel. Don't forget to subscribe to Autoland and hit that notification bell so you stay updated on all things eco-friendly and innovative. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.